Learning the alphabet. This is the letter A. A is for apple. This is the letter B. B is for ball. This is the letter C. C is for cat. This is the letter D. D is for dog. This is the letter E. E is for eagle. This is the letter F. F is for frog. This is the letter G. G is for giraffe. This is the letter H. H is for horse. This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. This is the letter J. J is for jellyfish. This is the letter K. K is for kite. This is the letter L. L is for lion. This is the letter M. M is for monkey. This is the letter N. N is for nectarine. This is the letter O. O is for owl. This is the letter P. P is for panda. This is the letter Q. Q is for queen. This is the letter R. R is for rabbit. This is the letter S. S is for swan. This is the letter T. T is for turtle. This is the letter U. U is for umbrella. This is the letter V. V is for vegetables. This is the letter W. W is for wolf. This is the letter X. X is for xylophone. This is the letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. This is the letter Z. Z is for zebra.